Hi, I'm Caleb from Kitchen Magic. What do you do with all the debris that comes from your kitchen remodel? Well, today we'll talk a little bit about what goes into all the debris, what is removed by us, and what will be your part of the project. So to start with, the overall cost of debris can vary depending on the scope of your project, but generally costs about what a small dumpster costs that you would get from a local waste management company. Secondly, it is generally included in your renovation unless discussed otherwise with your designer, or if you already had a dumpster or some way to remove the debris from the job site without us taking it away. Now, can we take everything away? Almost. Everything regarding your project. We won't take away anything that doesn't have to do with the actual installation of your kitchen. We also don't haul away existing appliances. That should be done by your appliance company that you are purchasing your new appliances from. Now, all the materials from the job site generally will be stacked neatly in one area, ideally at the end of your driveway or somewhere that is out of the way. In most cases, we will have a bagster or some sort of debris removal container like that set in a place predetermined by you and the draftsmen and installers as to where it can be set aside in a way that won't be in your way. It could be as much as up to a week later that all this debris would then be collected by the waste management company themselves. There is quite a bit of dust and debris that is created in your kitchen, mostly from sanding down surfaces and prepping all the areas. Now, we will do the best job we can to put up plastic and try to contain that, but some of that dust can continue into the rest of the home. And of course, it is a good habit to get into that anything very particular, tables, couches that are close to the kitchen, put a sheet or a drop cloth over top of them so it can be easily cleaned up after the project is completed. Hopefully this helps.